I have a question for anybody out there that can answer this. I'd like to know how and why these eclipses right here move in this very systematic and very orderly way in these pairs right here with 6 moons between them. Here's a pair, 6 moons, pair, 6 moons. In between these pairs right here are 229 moons. And from here to here, pair to pair, it's exactly 19 years, off by just a few minutes. And in between groups, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, there's a group right in here. In between the group are 674 moons. It separates group to group. Some of these groups have 3 pairs, some of them have 4. So all the way down to this whole entire line from the year of 1730, all the greens are eclipses that occur according to NASA on the SARO cycles. Red does not occur according to NASA on the SARO cycle. Okay? So this whole entire line right here has 2 reds, non-occurrences, even though this one is actually just starting back over, because you can see this 0-1 right here. This is cycle 0-1, this is cycle 0-1 right here. So you have all these running in this very systematic and very orderly way in here without a skip hardly, according to NASA's own stuff. And then moving up in time, one cycle up on a SARO cycle, 1730 to 1748, or 18 years and 11 days. It's going to move up to the 1748. Same thing with all these right here. 1748 plus the 18 is going to be 1766. 18 years, 18 years, 18 years. So now we're moving up 18 years in the line from here. Same thing. Have all these greens. There's a red and a red. And we'll do this all the way down through here, moving up in time. All these greens, red line right there on this SARO cycle. So here's the thing is, again, these occurring in this very organized, very systematic way over here. When you move up in time, to here, which is the same 2325. It's down here in this corner. Now, that very systematic and very organized pattern starts to not exist, as you can see here. Some greens and reds. Reds, reds, red. And from this point on right here, they don't even exist anymore. It's going to go all red from here. You can see right here, you have 5 reds and then 2 greens and a red, and it's going to just go red straight down here. None of this, that whole entire pattern that existed over here in this very organized way is gone. Here's another thing to look at. This line right here has 2 reds in here. This one has 3. 1, 2, 3 in here. Moving along the line, again, moving up in time, it's 2, 3, 3. You can see the numbers here. It's going to shift to 4, 5 reds, 6, 6, 7. Each, as these reds start appearing, it's showing that that organized, very systematic order is disappearing. It's starting to lose all of that organized pattern in there, that very systematic movement with the moons between eclipses. Got 14 reds, 16 reds, 16 reds, 17 reds. As we move this line right here down here further, which of course I don't have it on there, but move it down there, it's going to be whole line, it's going to be straight red, and that pattern right here is going to be non-existent. Now somebody please explain to me how that can be. Yep.